First of all, a very happy Makar Sankranti to all the viewer of Tika TV. Since last 1 week period, we have seen bullion prices traded in a very volatility. Start of this week, we have seen prices gain sharply, but on last Friday, we have seen sharp negative movement in gold and silver prices as dollar prices has started moving on a positive side with US bond yield once again started on a positive note. We have seen data point from US was slightly supported, that has supported dollar index, and technically also dollar index was traded with a up till now traded with a weakness only, and technically oversold zone has been found on dollar index. Meanwhile, gold prices is still trading in a broader range of 1820 and 1870. Unless and until this range doesn't break, we expect prices are going to be trading in a very narrow range. Similarly, silver prices holding very well above $25 mark, and domestically we have seen prices is trading near to 65,000 level mark. Unless and until 70,000 doesn't breach, we expect prices are going to be on a sideway to negative move. No doubt some support has been seen for silver from base metal prices, where all base metal prices has rallied very well. But again, from China side, the consumption has been slightly dropping after the import data for December revealed that imports have been slightly subdued. Overall, next 1 week period is going to be very much important for gold and silver. Unless and until 1870 or let's say 50,800 doesn't break, we can see some more pain in gold prices. Whereas downside support could be around 48,200 for gold on MCX and 1820 in international. Whereas in silver, $24 to $26 is going to be a broader range for silver. No doubt some pressure has been mounted on silver as base metal are under pressure. For next 1 week period, we prefer to stay away for gold and silver, wait for initial drop towards 48,500, 48,400 level to buy gold, targeting 49,500 to 49,800, because on the hope of stimulus in US around $2 trillion is going to be supportive for dollar. And generally we have seen whenever there is a liquidity pump in any economy, inflation concern generally support gold. Also rising COVID concern would support gold. So we prefer to buy on drop around 48,400 level in case of gold. Similarly, in case of silver, already prices has dropped sharply in last 1 week period. A further drop towards 64,000 or 63,500 will make silver more attractive to buy. Unless and until prices are trading above 61,000 level mark, we can see regaining in the silver prices to the tune of 68,500 to 70,000 level mark in next 1 week period. In energy complex, last 1 week was been positive for both the counter. We have seen crude prices gain nearly 3.5%. In international also we have seen prices is very well placed above $53 mark. On domestic also we have seen prices are trading near to 3,900 level mark. Whereas natural gas prices traded with a higher volatility, we have seen last week initially prices dropped towards 190 level mark, but again due to the weather condition prices got some support and prices again trading very well above 200 level mark. Today inventory is going to be on negative side, prices can see some support. Unless and until prices doesn't break 198 level, we can see a bounce towards 206 to 207. Coming on crude oil prices, already we have seen sharp drop in inventories who have been supportive for crude oil prices. But on the other side, the rising COVID cases and locking down of further economy like Japan, China, Malaysia, even the US, UK, that has been slightly concerning for energy demand. Already EIA has told that initially first 3 months is going to be negative for energy demand, but further during 2021 energy demand is going to be picking up. Also support has been seen since December as OPEC in December meet also OPEC members were continued to with the production cut, and from 4th of January meeting from OPEC, it has been revealed that Saudi is been cutting down their production. That has also improved the sentiment. But technically since November prices has went up around $20, that makes chart slightly overbought. So slightly be cautious in the long position in crude oil prices. A bounce towards 4,000 could be possible, but sustainability is slightly dicey. So we recommend a bounce towards 3950, 3980 would be good to sell or exit long position with a stop loss of 1050. we see prices moving back towards 3700 level, 3750 level. So a pullback is expected in crude oil prices, whereas natural gas prices is trading in a broader range of 190 to 210. Unless and until this range doesn't break, we expect for next 1 week period prices are going to be trading in this range only. But on the other side, we have already seen 2021 demand is expected to be slightly lower, and production is also expected to be lower only. That makes prices would be on a neutral stand only. But with the warmer weather in January month, we expect upper side would be capped. So we prefer a bounce towards 210 would be good level to take short in natural gas prices. A support towards 198 to 194 is expected to test in this week period. In last 1 week period, we have seen base metal prices traded with a higher volatility. As January month has started, we have seen initially sharp fall in the base metal prices. After December month, Chinese import data showed that demand was been slightly lower, and it was in line only because in February China market will be closed on account of New Year holiday, and generally it has been observed in the month of October November generally good demand or good import is been observed in previous years also from China. As December is been there and New Year holiday will be there, because of that some demand has been now dropping from China side. Also the supply concern what we have seen in the month of October November is now cooling down. On this side, we are expecting that next 1 week period is very much crucial for base metal prices, as prices are very well placed below key resistant level. Unless and until any strong news doesn't come like stimulus or COVID vaccines, things like this, we can see a profit booking in all base metal prices. Key levels like in copper, prices are trading very well below 620 level. Unless and until 620 doesn't break and hold, we can see some pullback towards 600 to 602 level in next 1 week period. Multiple of time zinc prices managed to hold about 220 level, but we expect unless and until prices regain 220 level, a probability of profit booking could be possible for zinc counter also towards 210 to 212. Similarly, nickel prices gain very sharply once again as the rise in stainless steel and iron ore prices has been observed globally. But nickel prices are continuously failing to hold about 1310 level. Unless and until 1310 doesn't break and hold on weekly basis, we expect once again prices can pull down towards 1240 1250 level. Coming on lead prices, out of all base metal prices, lead prices gain nearly 3.5% to trade near to 165 level. 168 is going to be a very much big hurdle for lead to cross. As of now, looking to the fundamentals, a pullback towards 160 161 could be possible for lead also. Coming on aluminium, harmonic pattern has been formed in aluminium prices and prices has recovered very well, but it's very hard to break 167 168 level. So whatever jump towards 167 would be good level to exit your long position and try to push back aluminium to the support towards 160 level. So in all, in base metal, we expect some profit booking due in next 1 week period, unless and until any further positive news doesn't come in the market. Thank you.